How to turn off motion blur in CarX Street. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to turn off the motion blur feature in CarX Street game. Super easy and quick. First of all, open your CarX Street game on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the home page of CarX Street, or once you're inside the free play section or inside a race, go ahead and click on the pause button at the top left corner of the home screen. Now, from the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, choose Graphics from the top, and under Graphics, look for Motion Blur feature. If you've enabled Motion Blur and you'd like to turn it off, simply select the Off button right next to Motion Blur and make sure you turn it off. After you turn off the Motion Blur feature, this immediately remove the blur effect when your car is moving at high speed. Turning off the motion blur not only makes your view clearer, but it can also slightly improve performance on lower-end devices, making your racing smoother. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.